Hi everyone, in this video I am excited to share some details about the latest campaign. This campaign aims to gather valuable insights through surveys and is open for promotion to affiliates like you. Alright, let's dive into the campaign details. This campaign allows various traffic types including display, search, social and native. This means you have the flexibility to choose the channels that work best for your audience. Just a heads up, there is a daily cap of 100 actions per day to keep things manageable. This ensures that engagement remains steady without overwhelming your audience. For targeting, this campaign is focused solely on the United States. So if your audience is primarily based in the United States, this campaign could be a perfect fit for you. And don't worry about the compatibility issues, it works seamlessly across various devices. You will be glad to know that it works seamlessly on Linux, macOS, Windows or even on devices with an unknown operating system. I have given this CPA network website link in the description. Here is something exciting for those considering joining through my link. When you sign up, you will receive a fantastic 10% bonus on your first payment amount. This is an exclusive offer that I highly recommend you to take advantage of. Now let's talk about the rates. With a fixed CPA rate of $3.75 per lead for double opt-ins, this campaign offers a lucrative opportunity for affiliates like you to earn substantial commissions. See you in the next video. Bye.